These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. Scattered, it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you.
What it do, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see the name of the title, today we got a special one for you guys. I got my homeboy Dom right here. I always talk about Dom, you know what I mean? He always hits it up, comes through and help me out whenever I need help, you know, on mods and everything like that. He's also my brother right here, you know what I mean? He's a barber in Dago.
Yes,
so if y'all ever need a cut, y'all hit him up in Dago. But today we got a special one. We're gonna go ahead and show y'all a car review. We're gonna be doing a car review on my homie Dom's car, his 2016 Dodge Charger RT Hemi. So go ahead and tell us what the car's all about, Dom.
So when I first got the car, it didn't look anything like this. I had, basically a 2016. If you know, you know.
So you didn't have the front bumper or the back. Oh, well, you still have the back bumper, right? The front bumper.
I replaced the hood with the hellcat hood.
Okay.
Pretty much got a new bumper. Got the snorkels installed, obviously. The vents.
Oh, you switched it up on the vents, okay.
I ended up
got the red vents going, okay.
turning out the headlights a little bit.
Okay, tinting out the headlights, okay. Let's see how the light looks with it.
The cool thing about those is that I got the DRLs, so
okay,
you
okay.
can see they kind of change.
So we got RGB up in this thing, okay. What's the color you always be rocking with every time you drive it?
I rock with the red, the yellow, or the white.
Okay. So y'all see it. He got the RGB. He got them tinted. It does give it an aggressive look, that's for sure. But you said you did the bumper. What you do? The bumper first and the hood at the same time, or what?
So I did the bumper first.
Okay.
I was rocking this for a minute, and then it was all black.
Okay.
And then the car was white, so I had that look, and then I painted this, and then I ended up getting this, and it was vice versa, So I had to get everything painted all together at one time, and then.
Okay. So you waited. Okay, I see. You got everything. Then you got everything painted at the same time. Okay.
And then I got all this stuff is pretty much aftermarket, but it took me about 2 years to really get it to this point now. But
okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop a picture for y'all right here. I got a couple pictures and videos of Dom's old look. You know what I mean, when he first started, and then now this is what it is at the end of the day.
Got the SRT rims on there with the. They're not Brembos. I wish they were, but.
Okay, you got the caliber covers. At the end of the day, it's still an add-on. It's still a mod. You know what I mean? It gives it a look. At the end of the day, you know what I mean? Okay.
345 Hemi.
Okay.
5.7 liter.
I see you got the Z. So what about the front splitter? What we got here?
The Z01.
Z01. Okay.
Z01 add-ons.
Z01 add-ons.
Front splitter. Got the side skirts.
Okay.
Skirts.
It got it all around. Okay. The full 360, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then we got
I see it.
Bill. We got the wicker bill in the back.
From Z01 add-ons as well?
Same.
Okay.
My boy Mike hit him up.
Okay.
He got the, he pretty much ended up putting these on.
Okay, so he did the white screws instead of the black. Okay, give it a little more standout. Okay.
And then these don't fade. You don't gotta wait.
So you got the whole stripes from front to back too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I got these right here.
Okay, so it gives it a little look. Okay, press the unlock button on it. Let's see the light.
I'm about to change that up in a week or two.
Okay, so that's the look right there. Okay, I see it. It gives it like a little wing. It looks like when you're driving, I remember each time I look at it, it's like a bat to me. I always think it's like a bat. You know what I mean? But nah, that's a nice look for the taillight tint, that's for sure. So what, you got the 6-inch tips?
Oh yeah, you already know. Look, check this out.
You put your whole foot in it. Okay, yeah. We 6-inch gang right over here.
Yes,
6-inch gang. You over here got the 6 inches over here, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Gotta represent.
All right. So what else we got over here? Okay. So like we saying, ZL1 add-ons all around. All right. You even got the sunroof. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Don't take us on the inside now. Let's check out the inside, y'all.
Y'all want to check this out?
Check out his crib. Welcome to my crib. All right. Well, okay. Let's see what we got here. All right. We got the red mats and everything right here. Okay.
Lighting trim in the doors.
Lighting trim in the doors. Okay. I see you.
Lighting trim in the dash.
Okay. Lighting trim, dash, and you got the red stitching mats. Okay.
Got the red mat.
Okay. You got black all leather. I see you.
Check this out.
Blue interior lighting.
Secret in here. Look.
You got the secret in here. What you got?
You go down here to the.
What you got back there? Okay, y'all. Did y'all see that? He got the You got the stars up in here. You got the stars, starry night up in this thing. Okay.
Check it out. Check it
Got
out.
the blue lights. I feel it. Oh man, y'all don't judge him for being a Raider fan, y'all. Okay.
Oh man, they like it.
All right, but y'all know, hey, you see this Raider thing right here. Hey, you don't want to mess with this car. Dudes come out shooting, y'all. Like real talk, real talk. Well, okay. Well, hold on. Yeah, we don't promote violence on this channel. All right, just make sure we got that clear. But all right, well, we didn't talk about your dash though, your interior dash. Okay, so you got red carbon fiber. Let's go around. Let's go around real quick. Get a better look. Let's go around real quick. So I was seeing you got the red dash interior on the inside.
When I first got it, it didn't look anything like this. Like,
okay.
You know, it looks stock.
So this is built, not bought. Tell them this is built, not bought.
Definitely took about 2 years to get it to this point.
Okay.
But we got bigger and better plans for the future.
Okay, y'all see this too, man. Just stay tuned for the next video. I'm telling y'all that. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. Yep. Stay tuned for the next video. But for sure, look at this. Check out this trim though, y'all. Like red carbon fiber. Like he got the whole red going on, man. Like the black leather. This came out with the car. This came factory, but this is a great add-on. I love it. That's why I want to do my seats leather for sure. I don't know. I want to do black. I'm thinking about black, but we don't know yet on that. But for sure, man, his is looking clean. Definitely, bro, with the blue interior lights as well. Red stitching on the bottom. Okay, you got the carbon fiber on the side too. I see you switched it up from red to carbon on the doors. Okay, I see you.
Switch it up a little bit, you know.
So what else? Tell me a little bit more about the Charger. What do you want else? You want to tell the world out there? To give us a rev, bro. They gonna be calling the, you know what I mean? The one time for on us.
So if y'all wondering why it's so loud, I'm gonna just give up the secret. Delete your resonator.
That's it. That's the secret. Same with mine. You know what I mean? I told him the ways, and he knows the ways, right? Delete the resonator. You know what I mean? Okay. You say you're gonna replace the 345 Hemi pretty soon, right?
Yeah, I'm about to take that off today.
You're gonna take it off today, and what are you gonna put? Like just regular Hemi or what?
I'm gonna just leave a Hemi. I'm gonna get some new ones because these are fading already. So
Okay.
Replace them real quick.
And so he got the SRT Hellcat rims that you can see. You got the what is it? The cover for the what is it? The brake cover or whatever. I forgot the name.
Yeah, I got
the caliper covers. There you go. Caliper covers.
I went a little cheap with it.
Caliper covers. Nah, at the end of the day, that's still a add-on. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, still an add-on. So like, check out his look, guys. Check out the stance real quick. Check out that stance. We got mine next to it. Check out the stance. All right.
We in Cali, so I'm gonna turn off the car.
All right. Yeah. We gotta get gas, man. Crazy. Gas is crazy. $5 a gallon right now. Oh, started back up. Oh, you started it up again, friends?
Yeah, that's the taser. I just felt
$20 right there.
$20. Oh man. Yeah, that's crazy. But nah. This thing is nice, bro. Like. He got the RT, I got the V6. That's my boy right there, man. That's my brother right there. So, you know what I mean? Me and Dom go back. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? Anytime he needs anything, I take care of him. Anytime I need anything, he take care of me. But yeah, this is his Charger right here, y'all. Man, it's a badass RT. Y'all can't compare it to a couple of these RTs out here, but for sure, this is one of the baddest out here, man. I told him it needs a name, and he's like, I think it should be called Red Dragon or something like that. Like, got that dragon look, but he said, you know what I mean, he coming up with a name for it. However, I still haven't named my car yet, but we got to figure out something for this one. That's that white dragon, though, for sure. You want to say anything before we log off?
Okay, come get a haircut.
Come get a haircut. Shout it out. Shout it out.
DeMarcus Cuts on Instagram. You feel me?
Where are you on Google too?
Right.
You on Google?
I'm on Google. DeMarcus Cuts.
Okay.
Let me pop this hood for
You gonna pop the hood? Okay. You hear him? He say he gonna pop the hood on us. He say he gonna pop the hood on us. That's what y'all want to know, y'all. Cause you know I do have a 6, so y'all be talking about, oh, it's just a 6. Let's see this V8 real quick. Okay. What we got here, Dom? What we got here?
We got a simple mods, nothing too much, nothing too crazy, but
okay.
We got the spark plugs.
Okay, so you redid the spark plugs.
These are performance.
The performance coil packs, okay.
And then these are this is the catch can.
Catch can, okay. Making sure your car's taken care of with the catch can. definitely have to do the coil packs and the spark plugs, give
And
some
the
more
charger. If you
power.
don't have one of these, you got a charger.
Yeah, bro, you definitely need this. You got to make sure you keep your thing, you know, maintenance up at the end of the day. Got the carbon fiber on the inside. Okay, and it looks like you got some Instagrams. What we got here? Who we got here right here? The Marcus Cut. So he said that he changed it, right?
I changed that to an S. Yeah.
So it's an S at the end. So my boy's a barber, y'all. Again, my boy's a barber. Y'all in the 619, San Diego, any area, y'all hit him up, y'all. So hit him up at the Marcus Cuts. We got our homeboy 619 installs. You know what I mean? He does lighting mods, all that. Basically, you need, hit him up. And then we got our Vinyl Customs. What? Vinyl Customs.
He does all the like tags for your car, Instagram tag.
Okay.
Makes t-shirts. He does all that.
Okay.
Cool stuff, so. Yeah, hit up 619 too. He's a cool dude.
Definitely takes it. So what he did, like he did a few of your lights and stuff too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. He did like, I think he did your star lights, and did he do the RGB?
Nah, that was Joker.
Okay. But he did my homeboy's his star light. So y'all hit up 619 if y'all need anything for that. But yeah, guys, you don't want to say anything else about your RT here?
This is it, man.
My man, but
If you have a charger, I suggest you start doing little stuff, because that little stuff will end up being bigger stuff later on.
Yeah, definitely. At the end of the day, like, look at this. This one's like 5 years old. This one's about like, what, you got this about 3 years ago?
2 years now.
Two years now. Okay, so you got it 2 years ago. This is 5 years ago, and just look at the difference, y'all. Like, I'm telling you, we'll drop some more pictures and videos. But for Dominique's car, bro, he's done it like from stock. Like, you can just tell the difference. Like, you can see a big up difference at the end of the day. But yeah, guys, man, we're definitely excited to put out some more videos for you guys. Definitely, me and Dom are gonna get into like cutting up on the freeway. You know what I mean? We'll do some like test runs, see which one can push harder. However, we just got the throttle body installed on mine. So, you know what I mean? We got to do some test runs on that. And Dom's going to be doing some more performance stuff pretty soon too. I'll probably do a throttle body for him pretty soon. Whatever else he needs, we're going to get to that too. Get y'all, so we can show y'all the next steps. Last thing. He said last thing. A little startup? You going to give a startup? We got to give it a little rev too, man. Let's hear the startup. Oh no, because you already turned it on twice. You got to turn it on from the inside one time. We cool. We good. Security. He coming. All right. That thing loud. Jeez. Y'all hear it? Yeah, that's a V8. That's definitely a V8. That's right.
Yeah, y'all in the area, come get a haircut.
Yeah, man, y'all hit him up. That's my boy Dom, man. Y'all need anything, hit him up from DeMarcus Cuts on Instagram, Google, you know what I mean? He's a great barber. I go to him too for my cuts. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Say peace, Dom.
Peace.